Hey, what is up? It is Natalie from Melanated Motherhood, and today I'm going to be giving you guys some mommy wash day tips using our family's favorite brand, Mielle Organics. I'll be washing the girls' hair using their Pomegranate and Honey line, so I'm going to start with the shampoo and conditioner, give it a good cleanse. We've been at the beach last week, so their hair definitely needs some loving and cleansing. After that, I'm going to follow up with the Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. I really love this conditioner and this line in general because it works for both the girls very well. I'm doing a simple twist out or twist with their ponytails, so I'm going to use the twisting souffle, still Pomegranate and Honey line, and then I like to seal the ends with the coil sculpting custard from the Pomegranate and Honey line, just to lock in that moisture and to keep the twist nice and juicy and make them last. Before getting the hair wet, I like to pre-detangle. This just makes the job a lot easier. I'm going to go ahead and start with the Pomegranate and Honey shampoo. And then for Naomi's hair, I have to wash her hair in sections because it is so thick and it is so curly and it just holds suds into its hair. So I section it off and then I wash the back and then I wash the front. And so here you can see that I am just giving it a good scrub with my hands in the back. I like to use my fingers as a comb and go through and just detangle some more. This really helps her curl pattern, and I have seen a lot of benefit from using my fingers as a comb and detangling that way while I'm shampooing. I'm going to gently but quickly just give it a quick detangle with my comb and my fingers again because it really just makes the job a lot easier once we're all done and it's time to style. After shampooing a few times, I give her hair a good rinse. Like I said, her hair holds a lot of soap, so I want to make sure I take my time with that. And then I condition with the Pomegranate and Honey conditioner, give it a cold rinse. And as you can see, her hair is just holding all that soap and conditioner. So I like to rinse very well. And then we are ready to style. As you can see, her hair's already started to dry and I have sectioned it in 3 parts because I am the simple mama. I am doing 3 ponytails. I spray it with my water bottle because the moisture just really helps me work through her hair. And then I'm applying the leave-in conditioner from the Pomegranate and Honey line. And as you can see, I'm just applying it to the whole section and I'm running my fingers through once again. And look how easily my fingers go through her hair now. I credit that to detangling through the whole process. It is essential for me to make sure that her ponytails are not too tight because, honey, she will let me know, Mommy, my hair is hurting, and I also don't want to cause any tension or pulling on her hair. So I'm detangling the ends again, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start giving them some nice twists. For my twist, I start off with a dab of the twisting souffle and I work it through the entire hair. I like to comb it again just to make sure there's no kinks in it. And then I start my twist from top to bottom. Once I get to the end of the twist, I get some of the coil sculpting custard and I just wrap it around. This really helps lock in that twist. And this is the end result. I just repeat this process for each of the ponytails and there you have it. I'm not through yet. Lucky me, I have 2 heads to wash, so I get to start the process over again and do the same thing for Elora. The difference between Naomi and Elora's hair is that Elora's hair is a lot thinner. She still has extremely curly hair, but it is not as thick as Naomi's. That being said, that's one of the things that I really like about Mielle Organics. I can use these products for both of them without having to worry about there being any change in their hair or it not working for one or the other. I can keep the same Pomegranate and Honey line and use it for both girls. For her hair, I do like to add more of the coil sculpting custard because her hair is so thin. I just want to make sure those twists last. So I focus more on the custard than I do the twisting souffle for her hair texture. And now it is time to rejoice. Our wash day is over. We survived, we made it, and we look cute. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, save, and share. Also tag a friend or two, and I appreciate a follow if you're not already. Thank you to Mielle Organics for sponsoring this video. Be sure to shop online at mielleorganics.com as well as your local retailer.